Have you ever wondered what a first date looks like in the animal kingdom? Forget dinner and a movie. We're talking about love stories that are stranger than fiction. The natural world is filled with courtship behaviors so dramatic, bizarre, and fascinating, they make our own dating rituals seem tame. These aren't just about making babies. They're evolutionary masterpieces honed over millions of years. From elaborate dances to peculiar gifts, animals have developed some truly mind-blowing ways to attract a mate. Let's start with one of the most iconic performers, the bird of paradise. Deep in the rainforests of New Guinea, males put on a show that would rival any Broadway production. They perform incredibly intricate dances, flashing their brilliant feathers and showing off their agility. Some inflate bright throat sacs, others twist and leap in midair, and a few even mimic forest sounds to grab a female's attention. This isn't just a dance. It's a high-stakes performance that pushes their bodies to the limit, proving that survival of the fittest also means survival of the most charismatic. Now let's dive under the sea, where some fish build astonishing love nests. The male pufferfish, for instance, is a true artist. He spends days crafting a perfectly circular sand pattern on the seabed, decorating it with shells. These intricate designs can be over 6 feet wide. The more detailed and symmetrical his creation, the more likely a female will choose him. It's an incredible display of effort and creativity, literally shaping the environment for love. Back on land, mammals have their own unique approaches. Male giraffes engage in necking, where they rub and swing their long necks against a female, sometimes even tasting her urine to check if she's ready to mate. And who can forget the charming penguins? A male will search for the perfect pebble and present it to his chosen partner. If she accepts, it's a proposal that can lead to a lifelong bond. The world of insects is just as wild. Praying mantises perform complex dances, waving their forelegs and antennae. But this dance comes with a huge risk. The female might just eat the male after they mate. It's an extreme strategy, but it ensures his genes are passed on. Then there are fireflies, which turn the night into a light show. Males flash specific patterns, and females flash back if they're interested. It's a dazzling, long-distance dialogue in the dark, showing that even the smallest creatures have sophisticated ways to find a partner. Reptiles are no different. Anole lizards show off their health by extending colorful throat fans, called dewlaps, while bobbing their heads in elaborate patterns. The brighter the color and more energetic the display, the better the mate. Even in the most extreme environments, love finds a way. In the deep ocean where it's pitch black and mates are scarce, the tiny male anglerfish has a unique solution. He bites onto a much larger female and fuses with her body, becoming a permanent sperm donor in exchange for nutrients. It's bizarre, but highly efficient. On land, peacocks are famous for their magnificent tail feathers. When a male fans them out, he's not just showing off. He's displaying his genetic health. The symmetry, color, and size of the feathers tell a female everything she needs to know. What do all these behaviors have in common? They're all driven by sexual selection. Courtship is a test of fitness, resourcefulness, and survival skills. Sometimes it's deadly, sometimes it's hilarious, but it's always breathtakingly beautiful. Our fascination with these rituals is only natural. They teach us about adaptation, survival, and the sheer diversity of life on Earth. From a bird's dance in the rainforest to a frog's song in a swamp, each display tells a story of desire, competition, and the powerful drive to continue the species. It's a reminder that love, in all its strange and wonderful forms, is one of the most powerful forces shaping our planet. The next time you see a peacock strutting or a firefly flashing in the dark, remember that you're witnessing a story millions of years in the making, a testament to creativity, survival, and the universal need to connect. The animal kingdom is full of these incredible wonders, just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for joining us on this wild journey into animal romance. If you found these stories as fascinating as we do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the natural world. See you next time.